Hello everybody, today in front of me I have TCL 306 smartphone, and in this video we will show the top 5 tips for this device. So the first tip is the fact that you can set up your fingerprint and face, or in general biometrics, is the unlock method. So in order to access this opportunity, open up the settings, here scroll down until you stumble upon the security and biometrics category, go for it, and here at the device security section you can see that we can either add the fingerprint or face unlock. Let's start by adding the fingerprint. In prior of setting any biometrics, the system will require that you set up any backup unlock method. The method that you can choose from are parent, PIN and password. Me myself will go with the parent. So enter it, then confirm the parent. And now we can start enrolling the fingerprint. So tap on the add fingerprint. The sensor is located on the back and looks just like this. So all you gotta do is tap on got it, and then lay and lift your finger to the sensor as long as it is needed in order for the system to entirely scan the full surface of your fingerprint. So you can slightly rotate the finger each time you lay it, so the entire surface of your fingerprint will be correctly scanned. Alrighty, so the fingerprint has been added. Let's test it out. Alright, as you could see, the phone is being successfully unlocked with my finger. Let's set up the face unlock as well. In my opinion, setting up the face unlock is way easier because all you gotta do is spend 2 seconds in order to scan your face. So just place your face inside the circle frame. I'll do it off the screen real quick. Alrighty, so my face data has been successfully enrolled. So let's test the face recognition as well. Alright, as you can see by the lock icon that we have on the lower part of our display, once I align my face with the selfie camera, the phone is being successfully unblocked due to the system recognizing my face. So next tip that we wanted to share with you guys is called Next Vision. That's the TCL technology for video and image enhancements. So open up the settings, here looks for the NXT Vision category, go for it, and here you have the preview picture that allows you to understand how the applied effects will look like. So you can either enable or respectively disable the image enhancements, video enhancements, and game enhancements. There are also some of the features for the display mode, like reading mode, eye comfort mode, darker display mode, or sunlight display mode. And right at the bottom of this setting page, you'll also have the option to regulate and configure the color scheme of your interface. The next tip that we wanted to share with you guys is the game mode on this device. So if you feel like the capacities and the performance of this smartphone in games is lacking, you can just open up the settings, look for the advanced features category. Here, go for the game mode at the others section, and here you can configure, turn on or respectively turn off all kinds of enhancements and features. For example, you can activate or deactivate NXT Vision gaming enhancement, hide games on home and drawer, display, choose whether the game box will be displayed or not, set the constant brightness feature, regulate notifications while gaming, disable 3-finger screen capture while gaming, turn on or turn off the game turbo mode, which will make the best performance for playing games, but also will drain the battery of your phone significantly faster. There is also an opportunity to set the constant volume for all the games, optimize the network, and clean up the background apps. The next tip that we would like to share in this video is the magnification. So in order to access it, you gotta go for the accessibility category of settings, and here scroll down until you stumble upon the magnification that is located at the display section. So once activated, as you will see now, it allows us to zoom into the interface elements or any text that we have on our display very easily. So if there is some very tiny text that you want to read, you can just go ahead, enable this magnification feature and read it without any issues or problems. That is also possible. As you can see, by using my two fingers, I can zoom in or respectively zoom out, so change the scale of magnification, or I can set some certain window and move it all around the display, just like the magnification glass. In order to disable this function, just turn on the switch. Alrighty, so we are moving on to the fifth and last tip for this video, that is called digital well-being. So open up the settings, look for the digital well-being category, and actually it is fully called digital well-being and parental control. So choose this category, and in here you will be able to monitor and see what does your screen time look like, how much of the general screen time you have spent, and what is exactly the breakdown of the screen time for each particular app look like. As you can see, this much time I've spent at the Play Store, this much time at the phone, other, and settings. So that was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.